Face tutorial for noobs.
Face is part of the head. From a side view, this is the head. And from a front view, this is the head. And after you add hair, this becomes your face. Let's start. I'm gonna start with a circle because that is the base shape for our face. Now, I'm gonna draw a line through the middle. This is going to be your center line. It's always the center line, even if you're drawing a 3-4 view of the head. This line is always gonna be there. Okay. Now, around the middle of the circle, I want you to draw a horizontal line and somewhere here another line. This is our line of eyes. This is the brow line. Now, the face is divided into 3 halves. First is from the hairline to the eyebrows to the nose to the chin. So by that logic, let's start our hairline somewhere here. So our nose is gonna be somewhere here, and our chin is gonna be somewhere here. Around the half between the nose and chin will be your jaw, and connect that to your chin. No, this is not a pointed chin. The chin is always a curve. Now, obviously, everything that I just said about the nose, the 3/4, the chin, the jaw, it's all very subjective. It's gonna differ 90% of the time. This is not gonna be equal. It's just a standard rule to help people draw people. Now, let's come to the eyes. So, if this is our eye, okay, so always draw circles for the eyes. Now, eyes are equidistant. So, this distance, the distance between the eyes and this eye, these are supposed to be equal. The mouth is going to be somewhere on the middle, and that is the lips, which we can shade a little bit. And that is the basic structure of the face, which we can just, well, you know. And the ears are going to be, these lines are going to be curved. This is going to curve, because this is not 2D, it's 3D. So it's always going to be somewhat curved. Ears start around the eyebrow line and meet around the nose line. And that's pretty much it. Now you just add the details. There you have it. This is my go-to face structure. This is how I always start all of my drawings. Obviously, I don't draw everything as I just mentioned. No, this is never really equidistant. I observe and I draw. This is just the way I draw a face from memory. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to comment if you guys want any other tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.